Hey y'all, it's Kelly. Today I wanted to share a secret, and that secret is it doesn't have to be hard. When I was starting to write poetry, to publish, I was really interested in getting my work out there and putting a book together, and I had no idea how to do it. And I felt like the conversations that led me or would give me instructions on how to do it were happening in very insular places, in MFA programs, and writing workshops that I couldn't afford. So there was also a lot of things that people just learned with experience, which is part of the recipe, right? But also I was thinking, wouldn't it be great if someone just wrote this down, gave poets a clear roadmap on how to create, how to write, how to order, how to market their first book. So I created my course From Brainstorm to Book Deal to share all of the hard work that I did on my own in the easiest way for you. So the course includes a 30-day workbook. It includes 8 live Zoom sessions with Q&A, resources. It'll teach you the difference between tiered rejections, how to write a cover letter, how to market your work, how to know when a book is ready. So many different things that are really helpful in terms of not having to reinvent the wheel when learning how to put a chapbook or a book out into the world. When I was ready, it took me a long time. There were a lot of trials and errors, but I really believe in strategy, and I believe in having a clear roadmap to knowing where you want to go. So I found who I wanted to publish my book, and I did my homework, and I wrote really hard, and I got my book picked up by my #1 publisher without an MFA, without any connections, by being really strategic in how I was moving through the poetry world. So this February, I am going to be hosting my class again. I'm going to be teaching it via Zoom. It's called From Brainstorm to Book Deal, 30 days to create your poetry chapbook. This course is going to give you a very clear roadmap on here are the steps that you need to take, and the things that you can do to make your poetry dreams a reality. It follows a cycle of writing and revision and sharing or publication. So please reach out if you have any questions. I really hope to see you there. Excited to write with you soon. Happy 2023. May all your literary dreams come true. And until then, happy poeming.